Hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking about this laptop and taking out the NVMe SSD. So we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, as always, link in the description. So let's get started. So now that the NVMe SSD is exposed, we can unscrew it and take it out. Now this is the screw that's holding it in, so once we unscrew it, it will be at a tilted position. Do not panic when you see this, you're not breaking anything, that's normal. So once you see this, you just have to gently take it out, like so. And there you go, you've taken out your NVMe SSD. So, after this, you can take the new one or put it in a SSD reader, whichever one fits your needs, or you could just put it back because you're doing this for fun and you have nothing else better to do. There you go. So, now we can just do the exact opposite of what we did. We're going to use the screw and push it down gently. Again, you're not breaking anything when you're pushing it down. And there, you're done.
Should have gone for the head.